I will teach you how you can build your own personal bots or your business bots on Telegram. Watch this video to the end and follow the method, the process I use in building a Telegram bot. All right, so let's proceed. So you are going to type BotFather. Go to your Telegram app, then search for BotFather. This BotFather is the father of all bots, so we are going to use it to create our own bots. All right, so if you're watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Please like this video, I'm begging you. All right, let's click on it. Click on BotFather. Then we are going to click on Start. All right, so we are going to click on Start to start creating our own bots. All right, so let's follow this step. Click on Create New Bots. You can see Create New Bots. All right, so we click on it. You can see, all right, a new bot. How are you going to call it? So let's give our bot a name. All right, so my name is Simoi, so I'm going to use that. All right, so let's type all right, before I proceed, like this video. Please like this video now and like this video. So let's go. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment so I will know that you watched this video. All right, so Simoi, make sure when you are creating a username for your bot or a name for your bot, make sure it ends with bots. All right, so I'll click on this one. They say good, let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in bots. All right, so you can see it must end with bots. So now let's create a username. So I'm going to do the same. All right, so we are good to go. So I'll create again. So now let's have it. So Simoi. All right, so the username is going to be Simoi bots for the username. Can you please subscribe? Can you please like this video? All right, Simoi bots. All right, so you can see done. Congratulations, your new boot, blah 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 blah. You can see. So now I'm going to click on the link there. It's like Simoi boot to be able to edit it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. But for now, I'll just copy this API key. Look at this. Use this token to access the HTTP API. So that's what I'm going to copy right now. You can see. So I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to search for. Okay, let's look for a way to copy it. So I'm going to let me highlight it. Then I will copy. So we are going to search for another bot, which is menu builder. So that's what we are going to search for. So I just copy this. Now I will search for menu builder, right? All right, so pay attention to this video. This video is one of the best, so watch this video to the end. Okay, let's select this. This is it. Let's select this. So I will click on this and I will click on Start. All right, so I will click on Start and I will select my language. So if you're from India, if you understand Chinese, you can decide to choose that. All right, but what I'm going to do here, I'll click on Start, then I'll select the language as English. All right, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. All right, so you can see that's exactly what I'm going to do. All right, so like I said, you select your English. Okay, so no, I think I clicked the wrong place. Let's go down and see. So I'm still going to click on where it has the blue, not the English. All right, so I'll click on the English now, the first one here. So I'll click on that. All right, so now let's click on manage bots. So in this manage bots, this like the admin side. All right, so this like the admin side where you can add a menu, you can add the list of menu, you understand? So I just click on add menu, right? So I just click on add menu, so you can decide to add whatever you want to add. But now I'm going to add the API key that I copy, right? That's exactly what I'm going to add now. So I will go back to the BotFather and copy the API key. Make sure you save it. If anybody have that key, they will be able to control your bot. So I'll copy this again, go back to menu builder bot to paste it. All right, because that's like the admin panel, the admin dashboard where we can give control of our bots, right? So I'm back here, so I'm going to paste that. Sorry, what am I doing? So I'm going to paste what I just copy now. So I'm going to paste what I just copy now, but I could just decide to start all the process again. So I'll just click on English. All right, then add menu bots. All right, so I'm going to click on that. All right, so the next thing is for me to paste what I copied. So that's exactly what I just did. I copy, then they say adding new bots. Right, you can see your key is accepted. New bot added to the list of menu bots. In order to create your bot menu, go to address. So I will just click on this bot, which is Simoi's bot. You can see all tools are awaiting for you there. You can understand. So now if you click on that, you should be able to edit your bot successfully, give it a command, give it any prompts you want your bot to do for you. This bot is going to do it for you. All right, so we are going to add some a little stuff, then we are going to act like a client trying to talk to our bot, then we are going to see how it works, right? So now we are in the bot. So you come here, click on the admin, you get here, then you start adding whatever things you want. All right, so let's look for message for starts. All right, enter new message. You can also forward text from another chat to channel, all right, or channel. So now we are going to add the message that we want, any message that we want, right? So that any client or anybody trying to message the bot, these are the message that are going to appear to the person. For example, when you type welcome to my bot, welcome to Simoi's bot, for example, hello, welcome to Simoi's bot, that's the first message that is going to drop when the person click on start. So that's the message you're putting here now. Hello, welcome to Simoi's bot, welcome to Simoi's bot. So I'm going to say how may we, or yeah, how may I help you? All right, let's go with this. How may I help you? So I sent. So look at what he said. He said message save. That's exactly what he said. It says message save. You see, you are the administrator menu, so I can't send message to this, so I just save the message, right? So but nevertheless, we are going to add another thing, and I'm going to add a file, a document to this bot. So by the time anybody at all message your bot will be able to provide whatever the person wants, right? Please subscribe to this channel. All right, let's go. Button editor, let's click on that. You are in button editor mode. You know, when you click on bot, you are going to see a lot of button. Maybe they ask you, do you want rice, do you want beans? You click on rice, another option is going to come up. So that's exactly what he's saying here. All right, so now let's what am I doing? Okay, this command is unknown, so think let's go back again. Please drop a comment if you like this video. All right, it's not easy for me making this video, but please subscribe, like my video, so that YouTube will get this video to others, right? Now let's scroll again. All right, so let's come to this side. Hold on, let's click on start again. All right, so let's click on message. You are in message editing mode. So now we are editing message. So we are going to add message. So this is the exact spot we are going to add the message. You can see everything you need to know is here. Here, just like admin dashboard, where you control everything that the user is going to see. This is awesome. This is awesome. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right, subscribe, share this video, drop comments, so it will encourage me to make more videos like this. Please, you still never subscribe? Subscribe now, please. All right, so let's proceed. So I'm going to add a file. You can see I'm adding a document now, so I will just look for a document on my system. So let me just look for something. Let me add this. All right, so let's go with this. I'll open. So it's loading. Give it a time. Why is it taking forever? Oh my goodness. All right, so I don't need to put anything. Let me just send. Go. All right, the reason why I'm doing it like this is because I want you to know that in here you can insert something, right? You can insert anything you want. You can see. You see, adding new message. So I could decide to add something with it. So let's type something and see. All right, do you want, what should I add on? So let me say, so I will just say, do you want to buy any of our scripts? All right, so let's see how it's going to work. All right, so it's a question. You can see the message is there. Then I add, click on add. So I think this one should be okay. This one should be okay, right? Or we should add more. We should add more. So tell us what kind of scripts. What kind of script do you will you like to buy? Okay, let's go like that. Like to buy. All right, so I add. So now I think we are almost done. So the next thing I'm going to do now is we are going to test our bots. So let's test our bots. And to do that, I'm going to make use of my phone. So let's go with my phone. So I'm going to search for Simoi's bots. So I'm going to search for Simoi's. I don't know how to write my name again. Simoi's your bots. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to click on start. Let's see the magic. You see start. This is a client now talking to the bots. Once you click on start, they are going to say, hello, welcome to Simoi's bot. How may I help you? This is the file I put here. Do you want to buy one of our scripts? Tell us what kind of script you would like to buy. Then you can reply to whichever one you want. All right, you can decide to reply. So you are just going to have your message there. You understand? Have a lot of message that you want there. Give it any button, any message, save the message, and you're boom to go. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to share. And if you want me to drop part 2 or anything you want to ask me, please drop it in the comment section. Thanks, and thanks for watching.